Washington had Mount Vernon, Jefferson had Monticello, Bachman has Heritage Cottage. Come on, let me show you. My garden is an idea incubator for the homeowner trying to make it easy to enjoy the gardening experience. Welcome. My main growing system are EarthBoxes. In fact, I have 135 in my garden. Let me say that again, 135.
135!
Living in coastal Mississippi, I'm able to have 2 tomato seasons. Soon these fall-grown heirlooms will have vine-fresh fruit to enjoy. I also grow a variety of flowers to brighten the garden. In the spring, I grew colorful impatiens, then transitioned to purslane for the summer heat. And now I've just transplanted these pansies for cool season color. Lately, I've started growing a variety of heirloom beans. When dried, these patterned and colorful beans make an interesting meal. But I also grow in other containers, like this idea I've had to grow radishes and greens in gutters mounted on the back fence. In this section, I grow lots of colorful bell and hot peppers raised on benches, making it easy on my back. Islander peppers are a very pretty light lavender, and these Bianca, which will turn a pinkish blush. Also in the mix are Garnet paprika peppers, Big Jim New Mexico peppers, and our favorite jalapenos. We also grow our herbs in containers right outside the back door to easily harvest the fresh garden flavors for tonight's dinner. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.